Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a Slack file upload failed error, your files aren't sending, or uploads get stuck, don't worry. This usually happens because of file size limits, network issues, or app glitches. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack uploads require a stable internet connection. Open a browser and test another website. If your connection is slow or unstable, restart your router and try again. Step 2. Verify file size and type. Slack limits file uploads to 1 gigabyte per file. Certain file types may also be restricted. Make sure your file meets these requirements. Step 3. Restart Slack. Temporary app glitches can block uploads. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, end Slack in Task Manager, and reopen it. Step 4. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache can cause upload failures. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata %\slack. Delete the contents and restart Slack. Step 5. Check workspace permissions. Some Slack workspaces restrict file uploads for certain roles. Make sure you have permission to upload files to the channel. Step 6. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Network security tools can block Slack's file transfer. Turn them off briefly and try uploading again. Step 7. Try Slack web version. If the desktop app fails, log into Slack through your browser and upload the file there. If it works, the issue is with the desktop app. Step 8. Reinstall Slack if needed. If uploads still fail, uninstall Slack, restart your PC, and install the latest version from the official website. Most Slack upload failures are caused by network issues, cache corruption, or workspace restrictions, and these steps fix nearly all of them. Follow these and your files should upload smoothly again. See you in the next guide.